What is your home saying about you? If you want to make changes in your home to make changes in your life, the first step is to find out what your home is saying about you. Because like it or not, it's saying something.
Your home is a reflection of who you are. And the best way to look in the mirror is to make a list of all of the adjectives that describe your home. And then step back and look at the list and ask yourself, are these adjectives describing me, my life, or an aspect of my life? Then ask yourself, is this the person I want to be or the life I want to live?
And if the answer is no, and you want to change your story, then you can start by changing the story your home is telling. Begin by making a new list. Write down all the qualities of your ideal life and your ideal home. This list will then serve as a powerful intention and guide as you start making changes in your home to change your life.
Begin taking action now by moving 9 things in your home. Just by moving 9 things around in your home, you will shift the energy in your space and kickstart change in your life.
For more information, check out our blog, Home is a Reflection of Self.